In this video, I'll show you how to set up Instagram DM. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving the video a like so others can find it too. So Instagram DM stands for Instagram Direct Messages. This is the place on Instagram where you can send videos to your friends, maybe reels, post, or just simply have a normal conversation like you would using your text messages. Using it is super simple. All you have to do is open up Instagram, and what we're gonna do is click right here on the little magnifying glass to search for the friend that we want to text. Okay, once you find the person that you want to send a message to, go ahead and tap on there. Right here, you will see different things on their profile, but you need to select messages right here at the bottom right. After you open that, this will automatically open up a new chat or a new conversation with that person. So you simply have to type out whatever it is that you want to say to that person and just wait until you receive an answer. There are also different features that you can use. For example, you can record a voice memo right here and send that person information that you wish to say on a voice memo, or you can select images or even stickers. If you want to send a picture, there's also going to be a little camera icon right here on the left where you can take pictures and share them with your friends. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you.